Hey guys, do you know you no longer need a time machine to travel ahead in time to take a sneak peek into the future? The future is now just a couple of hours away from home at the Dubai Expo 2020. I attended and experienced this beautiful expo this October, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through it virtually. So let's see the world's greatest show unfold. Let's go. Hosted by Dubai from the 1st of October 2021 to the 31st of March 2022, Dubai Expo 2020 is a platform that showcases opportunity, mobility, sustainability, and some of the finest examples of human ability as 200 nations bring innovations to the table in a world of total pure imagination. The expo offers cutting-edge technology, visually striking architecture, cultural programs, and a wide range of interactive exhibitions. The expo totally lives up to its theme of connecting minds and creating the future. The main site of Expo 2020 Dubai is a whopping 438-hectare area located near Dubai. The Expo City is divided into 3 large zones or districts: mobility, sustainability, and opportunity, with each of these districts housing many country-specific pavilions and also pavilions belonging to multilateral organizations, businesses, and educational institutions. You collect your map at the Expo Park and plan your way around these 3 themed districts. It's highly recommended that you download the Expo app on your phone, link your ticket, and plan your visit. To know more about all of these 3 districts and all of the excitement that awaits you in the many country-specific pavilions within, do check out my podcast by clicking on the link above. The Expo offers 10 themes for a complete 6 months and is the greatest show on earth. These themes enlighten you with endless opportunities for building a better and newer world. The themes are travel and connectivity from the 9th to the 15th of January, global goals from the 16th to the 22nd of January, health and wellness from the 27th of January to the 2nd of Feb, and so on. The expo definitely has some unique experiences in store for every family. Whether you want to relish the techie within you, or dive into some of the diverse flavors of the world, or even want to boost your creativity, Dubai should be your one-stop destination for all of this and more. It offers more than 60 shows daily and over 200 restaurants with world-class cuisines. And guys, your larger-than-life Dubai Expo experience doesn't end here. Along with technology, entertainment, and food, there's also art and culture to explore at this massive expo. You can get a great sight into the rich history and culture of the UAE by either strolling for shopping or at the various shows, events, and handicrafts that make for an immersive experience. Moreover, you can take an architecture-inspired tour to learn more about architecture through the pavilions and also understand building technology and design. From getting a 360-degree view atop the rotating observation tower to admire the unique design of the hundreds of pavilions, prepare to be blown away. Moreover, with students being confined to their computer and mobile screens for almost 2 years now, it's time to step out and step into the future to engage them and educate them into the future of their education. Here, students can discover the different career paths and indulge in educational activities that pave the way to numerous possibilities in the future. When it comes to knowledge and learning, the Dubai Expo is indeed one big open classroom and nothing even comes close to it. So if you want to just travel, finally the Dubai Expo is something that you just cannot experience virtually. This was just a teaser. Picture to abhi baki hai dosto, and you just cannot be a part of the excitement until you are in Dubai. Just as a holiday cannot be taken virtually, you gotta be there and experience it firsthand. And for you to explore and experience this greatest show on earth, Veena World's customized holidays brings you amazing packages that assure you and your family a perfect Dubai getaway. What more? It's the best season and time to travel to visit Dubai, and that's just 2.5 hours away from home. It just couldn't get better. So come expose yourself to the future of Dubai Expo, and rest assured it will be a journey like no other. Chalo bag bharo nikal pado.